Hi, in this video I'm going to explain about common multiples and LCM. Let's start with common multiples. Common multiples is a number which is the multiple of two or more numbers. For example, identify the first two common multiples of 2, 3, and 4. So we have to find the numbers which appear for these three numbers, which is 12 and 24. The answer is the first two common multiples of 2, 3, and 4 is 12 and 24. It means that 12 can be divided by 2, 3, and 4. 24 also can be divided by these three numbers. Determine whether each of the following numbers is a common multiple of the list of numbers in the brackets. A. 72, and in the brackets is number 9 and 12. To solve this kind of question, we have to take 72 divided by 9, and the answer is 8. 72 divided by 12 equals to 6. So 8 and 6 are whole number. The answer is yes. 72 is a common multiple of number 9 and 12. B. 9720, and in the bracket is 4, 5, 10, and 20. We use the same method to solve this question. 9720 divided by 4 equals to 2430. Then the same number divided by 5 equals to 1944. Then divide by 10, answer is 972. Lastly, divide by 20, answer is 486. They are all whole numbers, so the answer is yes. 9720 is a common multiple of the numbers in the bracket. C. 16,416, and in the bracket is 6, 9, 12, 24, and 36. Same, we take 16,416 divided by 6 equals to 2,736. Then divide by 9, the answer is 1,824. 16,416 divided by 12 equals to 1,368. Then divide by 24 equals to 684. Lastly, divide by 36. The answer is 456. So they are all whole numbers. The answer is yes. 16,416 is a common multiple of 6, 9, 12, 24, and 36. List the first 5 common multiples of each of the following list of numbers. A. 2 and 5. So we list the common multiples of 2 first, which is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, and 50. Next, we list the common multiples of 5, which is 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. Now we find the numbers that repeat for 2 and 5. Means the number is a common multiple of 2 and 5, which is 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. And this is your answer. LCM, lowest common multiple. Example question is, find the lowest common multiples of 3 and 7. We can do this by using this method. 3 and 7, 3 divide 3 equals to 1, 7 just bring it down, then 7 divide by 7 equals to 1. 7 divided by 7 equals to 1. So make these two numbers become 1. The LCM is equal to 3 times 7 equals to 21. By using a suitable method, find the lowest common multiple of each of the following list of numbers. A. 16 and 18. The solution is we use the method just now. 16 and 18 divide by 2. The answer 16 divided by 2 is 8. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Then divide by 2 again because we have 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And 9 we just bring it down. Divide by 2 again equals to 2 and 9. Then divide by 2 it become 1 and 9. 9 divided by 3 become 1 and 3. 3 divided by 3 equals to 1 and 1. So the LCM for these two numbers is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 equals to 144. B. 9, 12, and 21. We use the same method. List down 9, 12, and 21. Then divide it by 3. The answer is 3, 4, and 7. Divide by 3 because we have 3. Become 1, 4, and 7. Divide by 2. 4 divide 2 equals to 2. 1, 2, 7. Then divide by 2 become 1, 1, 7. 7 divided by 7 equals to 1. The LCM for these three numbers is 3 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 7. Equals to 252. C. 4, 15, and 60. We use the same method. 4, list down 4, 15, and 60. Divide by 2. The answer is 2, 15, and 30. 2 and 30 can divide by 2. Become 1 and 15. Next, 15 divided by 3 equals to 5. 5 divided by 5 become 1. The LCM for 4, 15, and 60 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 equals to 60. D. 8, 14, and 32. We list down 8, 14, and 32 first. Divide by 2. 8 divided by 2 equals to 4. 14 divided by 2 becomes 7. And 32 divided by 2 is 16. Divide by 2 again because we have 4 and 16. Equals to 2, 7, and 8. Divide by 2 become 1, 7, 4. Divide by 2 equals to 1, 7, and 2. Divide by 7 equals to 1. The LCM for 8, 14, and 32 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 7 equals to 224. A neon light blinks every 9 seconds, whereas another neon light blinks every 12 seconds. If both the lights blink together when the switch is on, after how many seconds will both the neon lights blink together again? When we see this kind of question, it wants us to find the LCM for 9 seconds and 12 seconds. Using the same method, we list down 9 and 12 first. 12 divided by 2 equals to 6. 9 and 6 can divide by 3. So become 3 and 2 divided by 3 again. 3 divided by 3 equals to 1. 2 divided by 2 equals to 1. So the LCM is 2 times 3 times 3 times 2 equals to 36 seconds. The neon lights will blink together again after 36 seconds. But you write this. Vijaya wishes to pack some souvenirs consisting of a keychain and a refrigerator magnet in each pack for her friends. Keychains are sold in 10 pieces per packet, whereas refrigerator magnets are sold 6 pieces per packet. What is the minimum number of keychains Vijaya has to buy so that the number of refrigerator magnets she buys can be packed exactly with all the keychains? To find out how many packs she has to buy, we have to find out the LCM of 10 and 6. 10 and 6 divided by 2 equals to 5 and 3. 5 divided by 5 equals to 1. 3 divided by 3 equals to 1. So the LCM for 10 and 6 is 2 times 5 times 3 equals to 30. So she has to buy 30 pieces.